Hi there, everybody. Hey, welcome back to another copy and paste ads as simple as it gets video. My name is Marybeth Angelelli, and allow me to bring you now into my back office so I can just show you around a little bit how easy it is to navigate and what a wonderful, simple, user-friendly back office this is. Copy and paste ads, not only is it simple, people love it because it's simple, and like I always say, folks, simple sells. It's duplicatable, it is scalable, and above all, it's affordable. So it makes it well within the affordability reach of the masses. At only $129, one time, $29 admin, $100 membership. No monthly fees ever, okay? So once you gain access into your back office, you will be able to click here, go to the new member start here, and just follow the step-by-step instructions, okay? You'll come down here, you'll be able to access your new website. There's 8 different websites for you to choose from, 8 different capture pages, and a done for you sales page with a new AI generated sales video that will do all the telling, selling, and explaining for you like it does for me 24/7, 365. Okay? And then it also comes with pre-written follow-up emails. I believe over 15 of them. They go out for almost 2 months. Okay, so a very nice, effective email drip campaign, which is exactly what you want. You're going to be building your email list. Folks, that's where the money is. The money's in the list, the fortune's in the follow-up. The company provides you with both, okay? The ability to do both. So you come down here, you'll go to announcements, okay? This is the brand new sales page right here. And this is absolutely wonderful, a brand new AI generated video that does all the telling, selling, and explaining for me. It will do the same for you 24/7, 365. You can review the business model approach right here, and then check out some really exciting success stories, folks. Testimonials from real members who have plugged into the system and had some great results and accomplishments, and you can be next, okay? But remember, nothing happens until you foremost take action. It's a really fun system to work. We have some great limited time summer bonuses, so hurry on in if you want to take advantage of this summer exclusive bonus. And here's everything you're getting for your one-time payment of only $129. You're ready to get started? Click either here or here for buy now, okay? Make sure you read this little side note and check out the terms and conditions. We're going to go back and we're going to log in to the back office, okay? And click on the login. And again, your little video is going to be here. You're going to scroll down. This is 24 minutes and 39 seconds long, and it's going to literally take you by the hand and walk you through getting set up properly for success. So make sure you watch every single minute of this. Don't take any shortcuts. And then scroll on down, folks. Here's additional income streams that you can explore. Certainly not required, totally optional. They even give you the 7 best resources that have been tested and proven to work best for sales for copy and paste ads. You can create yourself a free account at all 7 places and then log in and decide where you want to advertise using the pre-written done for you ads, which are all provided for you, okay? There's also another wonderful offline option with different offline resources through Nationwide Ads. There's a traffic rotator if you like traffics. This can help you to get leads by participating in the traffic rotator offered by the company, okay? There's also more done for you traffic. There's banner ads. You can view your statistics here, and this is where you're going to access your member training and resources, okay? So we click here, and you just go right into member training, follow along, okay? Here's all your sample ads, various places to advertise, free, low cost, and paid. And then if you want to post on Craigslist, you go to craigslist.org, create an account, and then just follow the tips and the strategies, and it breaks it down by cities, the best high traffic cities that have the best possibility of producing the best results for you based on volume and based on website traffic, okay? So it's all right here awaiting you. You start here. Here's your drop-down menus, okay? You access your training right here. Here's your pages. 8 different beautiful done-for-you capture pages. Very easy, folks. You pick the one that you like best. You just simply make it your primary. Here's the new updated sales page. You make that your redirect, and you have your link ready to go. Done for you, built-in autoresponder, connected up, ready to go for you with over 15 pre-written follow-up emails. Okay? And if you do want to integrate Aweber or GetResponse, you certainly can do that. So everything is here for folks, ready to go. Okay? Track your team. Here's all your tools. Here's your autoresponder emails. Here they are. Okay? All ready to go for you. All loaded up. Okay? And here is, again, different resources. Your sample ads. Okay? Website traffic. Here's more automated options for you. Your texting blast software, your Hercules $20 ads, and then Udemy, udemy.com. There's hundreds of solo ad vendors here that you can plug into. You can start, if you want to, with like 100 clicks. They typically start right around 40 cents a click. So you can start with a solo ad on average around $40. And then as you start to make money, folks, you can reinvest more and grow your copy and paste ads business and scale up with it. Again, very simple, very duplicatable, very scalable, and affordable. Okay, so everything that you need here, folks, is ready for you to go. And here is your new member training that you're going to plug into. And you're just going to follow a handful of simple steps to get you started. Step 1, you'll set up your payment processors. All of your instructions are provided. Here's a video that shows you how to do it. It's only 2 minutes and 54 seconds long. Okay, so watch that. And then you're going to update your profile. That's step number 2. You successfully complete that. You move on to step 3. All your sample ads are going to be locatable right here, folks. Okay. Step 4 is all the top places, lots of choices to post those ads. So click here and you'll be taken right in, and you can choose where you want to post. And then step 5, done for you traffic. You click here, it's going to give you a variety of different done for you traffic options. So it's very easy, folks. It's literally step by step. So you just do step 1, then you complete step 2, step 3, step 4, and step 5. It's broken down into simple steps, folks, okay? So that you can easily grasp this and go out there and apply and implement it for the best results. So before I close out, I just want to show you, okay, what came in yesterday, because people always like to see, proof. So this was from yesterday, and I had a Cash App payment come through for $100. Every day is a little bit different, okay? So yesterday was a nice, lazy summer Saturday, and I had a Cash App come in. Let me show you where that's at. Oh, there it is. Okay, so here was the date, July the 29th. See, $100 for copy and paste. So, folks, this can become your new reality. Simple math. Of course, I can't make any income claims, guarantees, or promises because I don't know what anybody's going to do, with the system. But if you stay committed and consistent, folks, great things can be coming your way too. This is my website. I'm dropping my link below. You may need to type this into your browser. And if you are about to discover a way to start getting $100 payments over and over again, all you're going to need to do, okay, is go to that link, and you may need to type it into your browser. Just give me your best email address. Please show me more. You will be taken inside. You'll be able to watch that sales video. You'll be able to review the information and get started just as soon as you are ready to go. So I am so excited to be able to be here back again, sharing with you a simple solution that can help you to generate some nice extra income right from the comfort of your home in your spare time by plugging into this simple little side hustle, folks. That's been going strong now, helping so many new members since 2018. Everything most recently has been updated, upgraded, fresh, new for July 2023, and just in time for the busy season in this wonderful home-based business industry, folks, that I've been part of now for several years, and I just want to continue to share this with you and provide you with a simple solution, because I know so many people out there are struggling. So many people need a simple way to be able to increase cash flow. And in my opinion, this is a simple solution. So check it out today, and I'd love nothing more than to see you soon. On the inside, we've got a great new Facebook group for paid members, and I'd love to meet you on the inside. So with that being said, folks, contact information is below, website is below. You may need to type it into your browser, and then just give me a good email address, click here, and go inside, check it all out. Let's get you going. Let's get you started today. And with that being said, I'll see you soon on the next Copy and Paste Ads video. Take care. Have a wonderful day. And let's make this upcoming week a great, prosperous marketing week. See you soon. Bye-bye.